please listen to me very carefully. We have reached the third stage. Now, if you look at third stage, it is bigger, structures are bigger and less structures, so that your area of operation is lesser, but structures are bigger. Now, you look at here. Let's say from here you need to go to that side. So this is the red color, you cannot walk over it. So looking at this side, what is the simplest solution coming to mind? Anybody?
Putting the plan and use the turbine.
Now you see this shoulder bit? So this becomes the support or not?
Yes, sir.
So as I told you, when you see the support direct, you take the plank and put it on the support or not?
Yes, sir.
Put it now. Where is the plank? फटाफट डालो. आप इसको रखो. इसको डालो. Now, gentlemen, you see this. Now, how the stopper will come?
Turbine.
Okay. So, many will say we will put a turbine. Turbine is also okay, but turbine में क्या है? You are wasting time. You will take 2 to 3 minutes to tie the rope or not? Yes. So the best solution would be where the small belly. Yes. Now this becomes a stopper from the top. Now you see? Yes. Now you can walk over it. Support for the stopper. So remember always, stopper from the top is always the best stopper. So always look for some kind of structure.